Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we're going to see job opportunities for mechanical graduates and electrical graduates and electronics and communication graduates too. So let us go into the video. The name of the company is Uflux. So I'll be giving the link in the description. So once you click the link, you'll be directed to the official website of the company. When you scroll down, you can see three options in the rightmost. When you click there, you can see other options here. Out of it, you have to choose career. You have to choose career option. And when you choose career, the career you will be seeing various options. In that, you have to choose current openings. You have to choose current opening. When you keep on scrolling down, you can see a mail ID. So you can send your CV or resume to this mail ID and you have to click apply now for checking the current openings. So kindly click on the icon apply now. Here you can see various jobs. When you scroll down, you can see various jobs here. So when you further scroll down means you can see other jobs too. The first job which we going to see is cylinder junior engineer engraving section. So job location is in India only. So you can click here. You can click here to apply for this, or you can also click this one to see further details. So what they are expecting is they are expecting the candidates to have good technical knowledge of machine operation and should have experience of minimum 3 years. So those who have diploma in mechanical or electrical or any graduate can apply. ITI means you must have minimum 3 years of experience, and job location is in India only. If you are willing to apply means just click on the icon apply now and give all your details. They will be intimating you through your registered mail ID or phone number. When you come back, when you just give your back option, you will be seeing other job vacancies. So in that you have to choose officer pre-press. So it's in Sanand. So this place is in Gujarat. Okay, Sanand means it's in Gujarat. So those who are willing to work in Gujarat can make use of this. And what they are expecting is you need to have communication with the seniors who are working there and monitor the color proof of the customers and review folder structure and supervise and motivate the operators, and you have to monitor the operators and make them focus to work, and you have to update the changes which are pertaining in the company, and you have to understand the job scheduling. So other qualification are you need to, these are the qualifications which they expect from you. More or less everything is same. And who and all can apply means those who have diploma in mechanical or electrical can apply for this job. And job location is in Sanand, so it's in Gujarat. So those who are willing to work can make use of it, and job is production. So mechanical or automobile can make use of it. You have to click apply online for applying for this job and give all your details. So when you come back, you can see other options like junior engineer trainee pouching. So just when you click it up means you can see the details. So you need to operate a pouching 3D machine, and you need to produce good pouches only, bags which are approved by the quality department, and you have to identify the problem and which arises in the machine, and you have to resolve it. You are responsible to maintain the machine health following by the safety hazards and other things you have to carry out it. And qualification is diploma in mechanical. So those who are having diploma in mechanical can make use of it. And job location is in Noida, Uttar Pradesh. So if you are willing to work there means you can apply for this job. Just click this icon apply now for applying. So once you click it, they will be giving the privacy agreement, and you need to accept to all those things, and then only you can apply for this. So you have to click I accept. So once you click, you will be getting this page where you need to enter the mail ID and password. If you already registered means then directly you can apply for this. If this is the first time you are coming means then you have to register it. So click new user. Okay, new user, and create an account. You have to create an account by giving all your basic details: first name, last name, mail ID, phone number, date of birth, etc. And after creating an account, you can apply for this job. If you feel this video is useful means kindly share the video with your friends, and do subscribe our channel and stay tuned with our channel. We will be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.